Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. For today's vlog ay babiyahe na kami para sa aming bakasyon, sa aming gala. Ayan, nagready na si Batong. Nilagay na niya ang bagahe namin dito sa likod ng aming sports car para kaming lalayas nito. Ang aming mga kapitbahay. We are ready. Ito palang mga bagahe ko. 1, 2, 3 at isa kay Tom. Itong dalawang ito is iiwan ko ito dito sa sasakyan. Itong isang luggage na to, ito lang ang aking dadalhin sa room. Kasi ang nakalagay lang nitong dalawang bag na ito is mga boots and ito is mga jacket. Itong basurahan na ito ay itapon namin, dinala namin yan dito, nilagay namin yan dito sa bagahe kasi itapon namin yan doon sa basurahan sa gasoline station ba. Ito na namang sasakyan na mababa ang aming gagamitin. Ay, ang bobo talaga nito. We're going now.
You didn't bring your sunglasses.
Nandito kami sa gasoline station kasi magpagas muna si Batom. Sabi nito mga 5 hours daw ang biyahe galing dito padung sa papunta sa San Simeon. Sa San Simeon kami mag-stay in, mag-check-in. Well, naghintay ako dito kay Tom ba na magpagas. Nood ako sa live ni Cindy Cinco. Napanood nyo na ba ang live ni Cindy Cinco? Yung nag-away sila ng kanyang best friend. Ang hirap makapagkaibigan ng bulgar. Ang hirap ng ganyan kasi binibulgar niya ang mga sekreto ng kanyang best friend na si Ashley. Panoorin nyo dyan ang ang bulgar niya sa kanya, sa mga sekreto sa kanyang best friend. Kaya ako dito, hindi ako nagkaibigan dito ng mga Pinay kasi mahirap na kapag ganun. Trust no one talaga. Mas peaceful ang life kapag walang kaibigan. Ang husband ko lang ang kaibigan ko. At si Mola. Kanina pala ay pumalik kami sa bahay kasi naiwan ko ang dalawa kong shades at kinuha ni Batom. Thank you so much, my love. Wow, you're so handsome.
Okay, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay.
Kiss. Handsome hubby.
Okay.
You have sunscreen.
Okay. Alright, my love.
Okay. Ang handsome ng hubby ko. Like sunglasses. 5 hours ang biyahe namin. Ang layo. Kakatapos niya lang mag-gasolin. Ayan, nandito kami sa gasolinahan. Tingnan niyo ang fog. So foggy. Right, my love?
Yeah.
Ang foggy dito. Walang sunlight na lumalabas. Why is it foggy, my love? Because of the ocean?
The weather, I guess. The ocean and because there's a storm out. Weather, but because of near the ocean, it's coming in, the storm's coming in from the ocean.
This is where, what is the name of your friend? I forgot.
Fred?
Yeah, this is where Fred lives, right?
Yeah.
And
Not here, back there.
in Ventura. We are heading to Santa Barbara kasi mag-stop by muna kami doon sa Santa Barbara para meron kaming magawa for today ba. Kasi ang layo ng San Simeon, mga 5 hours ang biyahe. So, para meron kaming magawa, mag-stop by muna kami sa Santa Barbara and Solvang. Meron din namang tourist spot doon. Maagian lang naman namin ang lugar na yan, papunta sa San Simeon. Right, my love?
Yeah.
We are going to San Simeon and then just stop by in Santa Barbara. That's it. Okay.
Usually it's clear when I come up.
Before,
Yeah.
you can see the ocean.
Yeah.
But now,
I
we
can't.
cannot. It's all fog.
So this is not really usual. Like,
Yeah.
It's not the normal.
Ay, sa wakas, nakakita kami ng parking
Where's my
dito. Luckily, we found it, my love. Sapatos muna ako. Nandito na kami sa parking lot sa Santa Barbara. What?
Not that.
Magsapatos muna ako kasi tinanggal ko ang sapatos ko kanina. Mine is at the back. Nagkuha muna kami ng jacket kasi ang lamig dito. Nagkuha muna kami ng ticket para sa aming trolley kasi sasakay kami ng trolley. It's in here.
Don't lift it. We'll just get it out this way. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna zip it. I'm just gonna leave it like that.
Okay. Tingnan nyo ang aking bag. Oh. Ang cute. Galing sa Shein. Tingnan nyo ang aking bag. Dahil, let's go.
We came from
Yeah.
Mason and State. We go down Mason and turn left.
Yeah. Naglakad-lakad lang kami dito. Papunta sa trolley place. Kung saan kukuha ng ticket para sa trolley. Ang foggy dito sa Santa Barbara. Walang sunlight na lumalabas. Naghahanap kami sa visitor center. Maybe it's somewhere over here, my
I don't
love.
know. I have to read the sign here.
It says visitor center. Sa wakas, nakita namin. Ayan.
Pick it up right outside. It like 2 o'clock is gonna be the.
One trick, go into the gift shop, and the gift shop has like 4 little rooms.
Kakatapos lang namin dito sa visitor center.
I'll meet you here.
Okay, mag-restroom muna kami bago kami kakain. Kakatapos lang namin mag-restroom. Papunta na kami sa restaurant kung saan kami kakain ng aming lunch. Ang lamig dito. Mas malamig ngayon dito kaysa sa amin sa aming lugar. Anya, lalakad kami papunta sa mga restaurant.
We'll just eat something quickly here. I just want something. I don't want to miss my thing.
Okay,
We'll eat
I don't
more
think
later.
we have time to. Yeah, we'll just get takeout. Because it's 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes to wait.
Yeah.
15 minutes na ang hintayin
He said
namin doon
fat
sa
cat.
ano, para sa trolley ba? Doon sa...
You want to go down here?
No, let's just go directly to the food.
I don't know where there's something fast
We
here.
will try there, my love. Over there.
Oh, there's no food there.
What is that
He
there?
said fat cat.
What is that over there? Nothing?
No, that's not food.
Why is it a lot of people?
That's just selling stuff, paintings and stuff,
Ah,
arts and crafts.
just selling different kind of stuff like accessories.
Yeah.
Kaya pala maraming tao. That's why it's a lot of people there. There's no food there?
Oh no, I don't
Okay.
think so. He said fat cat. I'm just here. This one. I'm just gonna
Here,
go.
Happy
get it to
Cat.
go.
Dito lang kami mag-order ng food. I-take out lang namin.
Do you have like a burger?
Yeah, we have a smash burger and just a regular Happy Cat.
Which is the regular one? Cat burger?
Yeah, the Happy Cat burger.
Naghintay kami dito sa aming food kasi i-take out lang namin para madali kasi kailangan namin magmadali. Mga 15 minutes nandoon na ang trolley tour ba sa buong Santa Barbara. Buti na lang talaga ay nag-take out kami kasi nandiyan na ang trolley ba
Eat your burger,
na
Nana.
tour para later. Kasi kapag nagkain-kain lang kami doon, nag-dine in kami sa aming food doon, mabiyaan kami, maiwan kami sa trolley nga tour. Buti na lang talaga nga nag-take out kami ng food. May love car. Kasi nandoon na naghihintay na. Is this the last tour, right?
Yeah.
Kailangan namin tong maabutan kasi last tour na. Ayan ang trolley nga sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Pay the bill here.
Okay. Diyan kami sasakay. Kasi gusto ni Tom yung tour ba?
Put everything online. I can charge you. I just can't give you a ticket or receipt. Is that all right?
Dito kami sa last. Dito kami kasi kakain ako ng aming lunch. Kakain kami ng lunch. Kain lang muna kami. Interest wala pa nag-under. Nag-share lang kami ni Tom ng burger. Tapos meron akong coleslaw kasi hindi ko makayang burger lang ang kakainin ko. Kulang pa to sa akin. Kaya nag-order ako ng coleslaw.
Look at that. There's parking there.
Nagsimula na ang tour. I-explain lang niya ang mga history. Explain ko sa inyo mamaya.
Up on the hill. It's actually Corbett Street. Presidio of that remains. So 50 Spanish soldiers of California coastline, and so they could expand national landmarks. Now you can't touch it. It's free if you have less than 10 people. So I've seen.
Nag-stop muna kami dito sa Santa Barbara Mission kay 15 minutes break daw.
Let's just go to the front door and see if it's open.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go to the gift store.
Yeah.
Here,
15 minutes
your picture,
break
Manap.
daw. Babalik kami mga
Oh, you
3:05.
go over one here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, ready?
Pinicturean ako ni Batom. Let's take picture here, my love, you and me. Here,
Okay.
in the
Go.
church.
Okay. Wherever you want. I want to check the
Is
doors.
this Catholic church?
Yeah. It's a mission.
Yeah.
Catholic.
Catholic. Basta Catholic, wala talagang tatalo sa church. Oh, mga church sa Catholic, mga dagko kayo. Mga malalaki. Ang laki. Kakatapos lang namin mag-picture-picture ni Batom. Do you like your picture? Do you like your picture?
Okay.
Okay. Where are we going now?
We're going right up here to the gift store. They said there's 4 rooms.
Okay.
Where's the other trash?
It's in there. There. In the bus. So, papunta kami sa gift store. Yeah, there. Gift shop. Ang daming nag-picture-picture doon sa sa front ng mission ba? Sa front ng church. Sa pinagpipicturean namin ni Batom. Mga gifts. Mga souvenir. Mga Catholic stuff. Holy water. Yan. Bibili kami ng magnet. Gusto niya bumili. Anything.
This. What do you want?
This one.
You want that?
Yeah. That
Okay.
one is cute. Pili na kami ng magnet. Bibili kami. Para meron kami souvenir. Ganyan talaga yan si Tom. Kapag pupunta sa mga tourist spot, bibili talaga yan ng magnet. What? $15?
Yeah.
That's too expensive. $15 ang magnet. Ang liit lang ng magnet, $15 na. Ang nabayad pala namin sa trolley na tour is
Maybe I'm not gonna be
$30
buying-
ang per head. Ha?
I'm not gonna keep buying a lot of magnets here.
Yeah.
Just that much. Not
Yeah.
worth it.
Not worth it.
I'm gonna get the trash and throw it. You have any
Okay.
trash in here you want to throw?
No.
Why don't you eat your food, my love?
Yeah, later when we get back
Okay.
to the trolley. Ang bayad
Yeah,
pala
we
sa
have
trolley
Solvang
tour.
to go too.
Yeah,
We don't
okay.
have a lot of time for
Okay.
stuff. I'm just gonna
Babalik na kami sa trolley.
Hold on.
Tapos na ang aming tour. By the way, kami lang pang apat dito. Kami lang apat nakasakay. Magbigay kami ng tip ni Batom. Magbigay na si Batom og tip. Let's go. Let's go to the... No.
I'm going to the restroom.
Okay, I'll just wait you outside.
Okay.
I wanna go to the
Okay.
other side, my love, with the bridge.
Okay, but we have to
bridge.
get moving here.
Yeah.
There's nothing out there.
Yeah, but I want
can't
there.
see
It's a lot
any.
of people there.
Yeah, but you can't see anything. It's too foggy.
Yeah.
We
I'll
gotta go
just
to
wait here.
Solvang. Okay.
Maraming mga nagtitinda ng mga chubaik-ik dito, oh. Mga arts, painting. Pupunta kami doon sa bridge na sinasabi ko. Itong bridge ba? Kasi maraming tao doon. Na ako, curious ako kung anong meron doon. Doon sa bridge na yun kasi maraming tao ba? Meron ding nagtitinda ng crochet, oh. Mga crochet, mga painting, accessory, mga bracelet, yan. Mga ginonsilyo. What, my love? That's it?
What?
Say it again.
There's food out there. That's it.
There's
Here,
nothing
give me
there.
the knife.
We were there last
What's that? Gipunit nito ang coin ba? Nakakita siya coin, gipunit niya. There's nothing there, only shops and food,
Yeah,
restaurant.
it's not
Tingnan niyo mga painting.
there. Cut through. Unless you want to take a picture of the.
Yeah, I want. Papasok na kami dito sa sinasabi kong bridge na gusto kong papasok dito. Oh, kasi tingnan nyo, ang daming tao doon. Panon ba? Kaya gusto kong pumunta dito kasi maraming pinupuntahan ng mga tao.
The
Oh.
dark just goes out there.
Yeah,
That's about it.
okay. I think that's it.
If
We
you
don't
wanna
need to...
walk out there.
Yeah, no need. No need.
Okay.
Okay. Sabi nito, wala na daw mga kung ano-ano doon. Mga food and restaurant lang ang meron doon. Okay.
Here, just here.
Papi. Okay.
One more
How
this
about
way.
me?
One more, hurry. Okay.
Me too. Nagpicture-picture lang kami doon sa parang bridge ni Tom kasi hindi na kami ni Dayon doon sa hindi na kami tumuloy sa end ng bridge kasi mayroon lang naman doon is mga shops and restaurant. Sabi ni Tom. And ngayon pupunta na kami sa aming pinagparkingan. It stopped, my love. Not yet. Nandito na kami sa Solvang. Ay. Tingnan nyo. Pang Denmark siya o forma. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Nag-stop lang kami dito kasi mag-take picture. Mag-picture kami dyan ay sa my windmill. Let's go there over there.
I'm not gonna do that much here.
Yeah, only here. Nag-stop lang kami dito para mag-picture. Kasi ang ganda ng style niya. Pang Denmark na style. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Here. Or over here.
I guess.
Ayan. Ayan ang windmill. Dito kami mag-picture. And my flag na Denmark. Yung color red ba?
Okay.
How about me, my love?
Okay.
You and say, right on, brother.
Okay. Thank you.
He likes your car, my love.
Uh,
He likes Tom's car. So cool, my love. Your car is cool. Niduol talaga siya ni Tom para magsabi ng na nagustuhan niya daw ang sasakyan ni Tom.
okay, we're going to Buellton now.
Okay.
It's on the way. Then we're going to Pismo Beach, then San Luis Obispo, then Cambria, then San Simeon.
Ang lalaki ba ay niduol talaga siya ni Tom para makipag-usap. Para lang masabi niya na gusto niya ang sasakyan ni Tom. So you know what? Nagustuhan ko itong sasakyan mo. The best talaga. Brand ng sasakyan niya is the best. Nandito kami sa... What place is this, my love? Ha? What place is this? Cambria?
No, we haven't got there yet. This is like San Luis Obispo.
San Luis Obispo. Dito,
Louis Obispo.
nandito kami sa San Luis
What do you
Obispo.
order?
Kakain kami dito sa Thai restaurant for dinner kasi gutom na ako. Hello. What do you want, my love? Noodle soup. Meron silang noodle soup. May pork belly. What do you want? Takoyaki. Yeah.
Amazing. I hear those are really good.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
I'd see you with Thai barbecue chicken, a Thai iced tea, and a Thai yaki.
47.91 ang total. Nandito na ang aming kuan, Thai iced tea. I-mix lang natin to. Ang sarap yan itong Thai iced tea na to. Adik na adik ako nito. Nandito na ang grilled barbecue chicken nga with noodles, with veggies. Ang aking coconut soup and rice is hindi pa dumating. Kanina pala ay nakatulog ako sa sasakyan papunta dito kasi ang labad ng ulo ko. Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Nakatulog talaga ako sa biyahe. Okay, kain muna kami. We have more? Another one? Ha? Food? Nandito na ang coconut soup and rice. Ang aking rice. How much is this?
These are 15 each.
15. This one? 15?
Same.
Okay. Nandito na ang takoyaki ko. Kuha mo ito. Takoyaki ko is nandito na. Anim ito. Kinuhaan na nito. Takoyaki. Nag-split lang kami ni Batom. Ayan ang sa kanya. Nag-share lang kami. Pareho lang kami na pagkain. Let's eat. Kain tayo. Let's eat, my love. Thank you, my love. What I know is it's Japanese food, but this one is more quality. Nagtanong si Tom kung saan ko daw nalaman ang takoyaki. Sabi ko sa Philippines, meron tayong takoyaki sa atin pero mas masarap ito kasi quality ba. You like? I like the soup. I like everything.
No, everything is great.
Ang sarap ng takoyaki nila. Ang sabaw, ang sarap din. Masarap talaga ang Thai food and meron silang lasa na parang ginger, kakaibang ginger. Diyan pala kami galing ay sa Typhoon Thai and Asian Eatery. Typhoon Thai Asian Eatery. Tapos na kami kumain. Papunta na kami sa San Simeon kung saan kami mag-check-in. Yeah. Why is it open? Sa wakas, nabusog na kami. Ang labad ng ulo ko kanina. Sumasakit. Thank you, my love. Sumasakit talaga ang ulo ko sa gutom. Nakatulog talaga ako dito sa sasakyan while nag-drive si Batom hanggang umabot kami dito. By the way, ang history pala sa Santa Barbara is same lang. Similar lang sila sa San Diego kasi si Juan Rodriguez Cabrelo pa rin ang nagsimula sa Santa Barbara. The same as doon sa San Diego, si Juan Rodriguez Cabrelo ang nagsimula sa place and then ang nag-influence nga group first kay ang kuan Spanish. Before the Spanish, my love, what is the root of the name? Ambush? Ha? Ambush? Chumash? Chumash, yeah, Chumash. After sa Chumash is nagsimula na ang Spanish and Mexican, then American last until now. Yan ang nalalaman kong kaunting history sa Santa Barbara. These two, I will leave this here. Parang may ulan-ulan. Taligsik judi ay ni mga day. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Hindi siya same sa atin na magpatak-patak talaga. Para lang siyang moist nga spray. Nandito na pala kami sa parking lot sa Comfort Inn kung saan kami mag-stay nito. And mga alas 8 na dito sa gabi. What time is it now, my love? Let's go. Ito ang aking luggage at ang bag ni Batom. Ay. Ito lang ang dadalhin namin sa room, itong bag ni Batom at ang aking black na luggage. Ang dalawa kong bag nga, yung isang luggage ko at yung isang bag is nandoon sa sasakyan kasi mga jacket at boots lang naman yun. Dito kami mag-stay sa Comfort Inn San Simeon. Pasok na kami. Nandito na kami sa loob. Ay, sa wakas, nandito na kami sa aming room. Wow, ang laki. Spacious. Ang bango. Ito pala ang aming room. Meron ditong sink, mirror, blower, merong towels, merong para plantsahanan, meron ditong CR. Where's the switch?
Ocean view.
Ha? Ocean view?
Yeah, but you can't see.
Dito pala ang switch. Merong bathtub, shampoo, conditioner, towels, toilet paper, toilet. And where's the ocean view? And here's the TV. Meron ditong maliit na ref, microwave, drawers, and coffee maker. Yeah, ice cube, panglalagyan ng ice cube. And merong mga free dito ng mga coffee and cups, mga sugar, mga sweetener. Ito ang aming bed. And dito ang aming view. How do you open this, my love? Wow! Nothing. It's not ocean view. We cannot see the ocean because it's foggy right now and it's dark. Maybe tomorrow in the morning. My love, I cannot close it. Okay. And the breakfast is what time? 7 a.m. to 10. Okay. Maliligo na ako kasi wala pa akong ligo. Tingnan nyo ang aking bag mga day. Oh, galing ito sa Shein. Ang ganda talaga. Ha?
Your shower.
Yeah, I will
It's already
take
made.
shower now.